Good morning, 10th class students. Computer subject. Today we will start second chapter of computer. Chapter name is Self Management Skills 2. First session 2.1 Stress Management Techniques. बच्चे स्ट्रेस means pressure, tension, burden. Introduction. Stress, according to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, is pressure, tension or worry resulting from problems in one's life, and as per the American Heritage Dictionary, it is a state of extreme difficulty, pressure or strain. On the other hand, we have Dr. Hans Selye, popularly known as father of stress, for first introducing the concept of stress in a medical context. According to Dr. Hans, stress is a normal part of life and adapting to stress is a natural mechanism. Now बच्चे सेशन 1 मीनिंग एंड इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट. मीनिंग एंड इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट. नाउ meaning and importance of stress management. Stress is a charged up internal condition of our body in response to some repulsive, sometimes delightful too, that is called repulsive, external or internal situations. Whichever way you wish to understand, stress is the truth of the day. Stress is the truth of the day and you can't deny it. Whether it is caused by external forces such as fluctuating climate condition, approaching examinations, parental or peer pressures, price hikes, demanding health conditions, a quarrelsome classmates, strict teacher, or by internal forces such as less self-belief, low energy level, lack of enthusiasm, poor self-image, no self-confidence. Stress has become a part of our life. These all are the part of stress. Stress has become a part of our life. Stress can be either positive or negative. And phrased the good stress. बच्चे phrase the good stress like getting a job promotion. This is a good stress as stress, and the negative stress like anxiety produced by an abusive working situation as distress. This is the meaning of stress. Now next, stresses can be emotional, nutritional, chemical, psychological or hormonal. Irrespective of this state, our body responds identically to all these stresses. This is because stress responses are like reflexes. We get the same response no matter what the stimulus. On the basis of its stimulus, researchers have found the following 4 factors to be the sources of stress in the modern times. But in these modern times, 4 factors to be the sources of stress. Number 1, these 4 stress of 4 types. Number 1, survival stress. Number 2, internal stress. Number 3, fatigue related stress. Fatigue means tired. Fatigue related stress. Number 4, environmental stress. These are the 4 types of stress. Now बच्चे, first is survival stress. It is generated by a do or die crisis situation and is a common response to such dangers by human beings and animal alike. This kind of stress puts you in danger of immediate harm, physical or psychic. In response to it, the adrenal glands of your body naturally responds with the surge of hormonal secretions like adrenaline and cortisol in your bloodstream, which feels like a burst of energy being pumped in, and this ignites your instinctive fight or flight response. Second one is environmental stress, which comes from environment. It is generated by pent-up worries, frustration and apprehension in your inner self, and is a common response mostly by human beings to such inhibiting feelings. This kind of stress, unlike survival stress, keep on building up inside your body and hindering your open outlook towards life. बच्चे, it obstructs your overall performance. Okay, it obstructs your overall performance. It could be the result of your self-imposed worries about things over which you hardly have any control. Now number 3, environmental stress. First survival stress, second internal stress, and third one is environmental, which came from environment. It is generated by the uncomfortable feeling of things, situations in the surroundings, such as noise, crowd, extremely hot or cold climate, continuous rain, impending flood, rising price hikes, old and ailing parent, a mischievous classmate, a noisy neighbor, a complaining friend, demanding parents, an overtly strict teacher, a bullying senior, etc. Some of these factors may be within your control, while others may be beyond your control. Environmental stress, बच्चे, which came from environment. Next is fatigue and overwork related stress. Fatigue means tired. Now it is generated by the fatigue and overwork. When we do overwork, then fatigue and overwork related stress. Now it is generated by fatigue and overwork that you build up over a period of time as a result of your highly demanding study routines, ever increasing ambition, setting up unrealistic goals, and exerting yourself much beyond your mental and physical capacity more often than not. Such stress arises from deadlines that are self-imposed or imposed by others or by circumstances. Hence, having stress in your life is not an issue these days. However, how you manage your stress is more important. Living a healthy lifestyle is one way to reduce stress levels. When you are living healthy, you automatically cope with stress better. Unfortunately, often we can't simply remove the cause of our stress, but we can change the way we deal with it. Now session 1 is completed. Next session 2. Session 2, stress management techniques, physical exercise, yoga, meditation. बच्चे, stress management techniques, how you will manage your stress with physical exercise, with meditation, with yoga. Stress is a very powerful force that involves awareness, attention and energy. It can be managed to empower you, But if you let stress control you, the resulting distress can be harmful not only to your body, mind, and spirit, but also to your self-esteem and confidence level. Each individual has her own symptoms of stress, so it is important to first understand what causes stress in you and what symptoms does your body show. बच्चे which symptoms your body show. Below are given some easy ways to find out our stress. How you will find